Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to show you the cutest Beaded Boho Bracelets watch band. Hey girls, this Beaded Boho Bracelets gives so much style to all of your outfits. I promise you can be dressed down and this will make you look so put together. I love everything about it. I love that this bracelet has genuine leather. It's super unique and classy as you can see from close up. And I also appreciate that it has 3 removable clasps, which makes it super easy to resize the band. Another plus is that this is super easy to install. It will literally take you a minute to put on and less than a minute to take off. I love the fact that this has a variety of beautiful colors as well that can make it very unique since you can match with your jewelry with either your earrings, bracelets, or necklaces. I love everything about this watch band. I would highly recommend it. This Beaded Boho bracelets will be the perfect gift for all of your girlfriends. I promise they are going to love it, and that is my point of view.